Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best Silverado headlights is probably one of the most crucial components for safe driving, especially at night or in adverse weather conditions. These lights not only illuminate the road ahead, but also make your truck visible to other drivers, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. Whether you're replacing old, dim headlights or upgrading to something brighter and more stylish, choosing the right headlights for your 1999 Chevy Silverado is essential. Number 5. DNA motoring headlights for Silverado Suburban Tahoe. Tired of the same old look? These headlights are designed to give your vehicle a fresh, new appearance. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. This set is compatible with 99-02 Silverado and 00-06 Suburban Tahoe models. Please check the compatibility guide for specific details to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. The kit includes a pair of headlights and bumper lights. Everything you need for a complete front-end transformation is included. It's a convenient all-in-one solution. Designed for plug-and-play operation, these lights are a direct OE fit. No modifications or drilling are required, making installation straightforward. However, professional installation is highly recommended. These lights are SAE and DOT approved, ensuring quality and fitment. You can trust that it meets the highest standards for safety and performance. Get yours today. What we like. This headlight kit features a stylish smoke lens design, giving your Silverado a sleek, modern look. The complete kit includes both headlights and bumper lights, making installation straightforward. If you're looking to upgrade your truck's appearance with a plug-and-play solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The headlights fit perfectly and were easy to install. The new headlights look great and make a big difference in visibility at night. The headlights are a direct replacement and the installation was very straightforward. Number 4. DNA motoring chrome amber headlights for Silverado Suburban Tahoe. These headlights are designed to fit various models. They are compatible with 99-02 Silverado 1500 and more. This ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. The kit includes a pair of headlights and a pair of bottom bumper lights. Everything you need is in the package. This will upgrade the look of your car. The headlights use 9005 for high beam and 9006 for low beam. Please note that the bulbs are not included. You can easily install the bulbs. This headlight kit offers a plug-and-play operation. It's a direct OE fitment or replacement. It brings a different appearance to the vehicle and is great for show use. Installation requires no modification or drilling. However, professional installation is highly recommended. The product is SAE and DOT approved. What we like. This headlight kit features a chrome amber design, adding a classic touch to your Silverado. The complete kit includes both headlights and bumper lights, ensuring a perfect fit. If you like the classic look and want an easy upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. The smoke lens gives the truck a sleek, aggressive look that really stands out, especially in low light. Function-wise, they perform well with clear beam output and improved visibility compared to the stock lights. These on the other hand, allow other motorists to know my intentions well ahead of time and are very nice pieces. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Silverado. This headlight assembly is designed for Chevy Silverado models from 1999 to 2002, and some Tahoe and Suburban models. It's a perfect fit to upgrade your vehicle's lighting system. Please note that bulbs are not included. The assembly is fully sealed with solid silicon and one-way vents. This design prevents moisture from entering, ensuring it functions flawlessly in all weather conditions. You won't have to worry about corrosion. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide increased light output. This feature creates a broader and smoother beam, improving visibility. It will make your night driving much safer. The side microprism reflector enhances safety by making your vehicle more visible to others. This feature ensures that oncoming cars and pedestrians can quickly notice you at night. It is designed for your safety. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are built to withstand impact and vibration. This ensures the product's longevity, even on rough roads. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This headlight assembly provides brighter lighting with metallic parabolic reflectors, improving visibility. It's also waterproof, preventing moisture buildup. If you prioritize safety and want enhanced visibility in various weather conditions, consider this option. What people say. These housings, for both the upper and lower lights, fit perfectly. The OEM bulb sockets fit snugly as well, and I didn't need to make any modifications to install them. Everything lined up just right. Number 2. OEDRO headlight assembly for Chevy Silverado Tahoe Suburban. These OEDRO headlights are designed for multiple Chevy models. They fit various Silverado, Tahoe, and Suburban models from specific years. Ensure it matches your vehicle before purchase. The lights minimize glare for safer night driving. The reflectors make it easier to see other cars and pedestrians. This helps improve visibility on the road. The headlight assembly uses a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable PC housing. This provides excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. It's built to last. It's completely sealed with solid silicone and features a one-way vent to manage moisture. This design prevents corrosion and fogging, extending its lifespan. It's ready for any weather. Installation is straightforward, with no modifications needed. The assembly functions like the original headlights. Professional installation is recommended for the best results. What we like. This headlight assembly offers brighter and safer illumination, minimizing glare. It's constructed with premium materials for durability and is easy to install. If you want a reliable and easy to install headlight assembly that enhances both safety and style, this is a great choice. What people say. These headlights look great on the 2003 Accord, it looks like new again. The new headlights have been on the car now for several weeks of chilly December rain and some snow, and a couple of car washes. I'm happy to see there are no signs at all of fogging or moisture inside the headlights. Fit and fitment were good. Number 1. DWVO headlight assembly for Chevy Silverado Tahoe Suburban. Tired of dim headlights? These assemblies significantly improve illumination. They increase light distance, ensuring better visibility and driving safety, especially in challenging conditions. These headlight assemblies are designed for various Chevy models. They fit 1999 to 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500-2500, 2001 to 2002 Silverado 1500 HD 2500 HD 3500, and 2000 to 2006 Suburban Tahoe models. Please note that bulbs are not included. The fully sealed structure keeps moisture out. This ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or even dust storms. You can count on it. Built to last, these headlights feature impact-resistant polycarbonate lenses. They provide great protection against road debris and impacts. The high-impact housing also withstands shock and vibration. These are direct replacements, coming as a pair for both sides. Professional installation is highly recommended. The beam angle is adjustable within a plus or minus 3 degrees range, allowing for fine-tuning. What we like. This headlight assembly features improved illumination with metallized reflectors, enhancing visibility. It's weather-sealed to prevent moisture and impact-resistant for durability. If you frequently drive in challenging conditions and need robust, reliable headlights, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and easy to install. The new headlight look great and really updated the look of the truck. The headlights are much brighter than the old ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.